Alright guys, so I'm back. Hopefully this will be a longer run at it, but we'll see if anybody's still watching. If anybody's not still watching, then I guess I'm going to have to build a new audience, which I don't think I had a very big one in the first place. But today I've got a really simple video. It's my top 5 Cydia tweaks for iOS 7. So let's get into this. Alright, so these are going to be in no particular order, and they're not going to be very comprehensive at all. I probably won't show anything about them. I'll try to get out some reviews on a few of them at least, but I'm just going to show you what they do, and that's pretty much it, and tell you how much they are. And all of them should be somewhere on the screen, what they're called and the price. But the first one is HomescreenDesigner, and all it does is let you change the layout of your icons, which is quite nice, and it's very configurable. You can create your own along with download other ones other people have made, which is probably the best feature of this, which is kind of like Cydia, but it's got its own thing, and you don't got to go into Cydia and download each layout. The second one is StatusHUD 2, and it'll also be on the screen. It's free, but this is probably one of my favorite ones. There was one for iOS 6 and everything, but I never actually got it, and then I saw it for this, and I was like, oh, I got to get this. And all it does is get rid of your volume that pops up on the screen right there and moves it to the status bar, which is, I really like it. It just looks a lot more simplistic and kind of just goes along with the status bar. And that is free in the Big Boss repo. You shouldn't have to add any sources for any of these. They are all in default repos. And the next one is, a lot of people I don't think will like it, but I really like it because I didn't want to stick with the default passcode unlock thing, and I wanted Android, the little passcode thing you give for that, but I couldn't get it to work, although some people have said it works. You can try it out if that's what you'd rather have, but Unlocker's pretty cool, and it's $1.99, but it's almost worth the $1.99 if you're into home screen tweaks, or I should say lock screen tweaks that are more customizing than really tweaks. But the first thing it does is it gets you, rather than a slide to unlock, it's just a button, and then you can set the number of taps it is. Mine is 2, 3, 4, 5 taps, and I guess I will show you because I don't really care if you guys know my passcode, but it's just tap, so you tap it. One problem is, I'll show you, you can't really do it fast. There's only 4 things, so your passcode has to be kind of unique, because I guess a little bit easier to guess. But if I try to do it fast, it doesn't work. So you have to go kind of slow, and that happens a lot, which is probably the biggest downfalls of this. But I mean, I get used to it. You just click a button, and you're good to go. And the next one is Alkaline, which is free in the ModMyi repo. The thing about this is, I've always wanted to do what this can do. I've always wanted to be able to change this battery, and I've never had luck doing it. Like, I think I've changed it every once in a while, but there was never, like, Winterboard just never did it right for me. But Alkaline has done it, and I'm definitely going to be doing a full review on this. But it just changes your status bar battery, and there's quite a few different ones you can get from Cydia, but this one is just the bars. I just changed it to that. Actually, I had something else, but I really like that. And the most important one for me is Rocket Bootstrap, which is from the Big Boss repo, and it's free. I don't really know if you even need this anymore, but when I first jailbroke iOS 7, there was so many problems. I couldn't get any of the tweaks that were supposed to work, and I was trying to figure out how to do it, and I came across this, Rocket Bootstrap. All you do is install it, and it just made my tweaks work. I don't know what it did. I don't know how it does it, and I don't know if they've fixed this problem since, so you don't need it. But I have it, and it's worked great for me, and it's got all my tweaks working. So thanks for watching the video. Click the like button if you liked it, and check out my website, and thanks for watching.